So the question is, how do I download the PowerPoint slides that have been made available to me? Whatever course you're in, the section doesn't matter. Click the content link and the page will change. Now, I have my shortcut bar displayed on the left. I'm going to use the center just so that we're all the same. I like to collapse chapters that I am no longer interested in and or don't need to reference quickly anymore. You see course orientation, chapters 1, 2, 3. Let me use chapter 3 as an example. As I look at the bottom, I see chapter 3, part A, PowerPoints from your instructor. And in fact, there are 3 different sets of PowerPoint slides. Let's say that I am interested in some of the content in chapter 3, PowerPoint B. Okay, we'll just use that as an example. I am going to click on this. Okay. Now, this is, I am in Internet Explorer, and you need to be on the lookout for these little messages. And this is just general web stuff. As you're browsing the web, you've probably come across this. See how it says, to help protect your security, Internet Explorer has blocked this site from downloading files. Click here for options. So I need to click there. Now look what it says, download file. Now I have to tell you this. I have downloaded from our eLearn site quite a bit. If your message instead says that you need to enable this, then you need to enable it. What may happen is that it might throw you all the way back to the home page. If that's the case, you just go through these same steps again and it will work the second time. So if it doesn't work the first time, then you need to do it the second time. Okay, so I clicked here, download file. Now I'm going to tell you the next place that you get into trouble. Let's make sure that mine gets off to a start here. Okay, good. See how it did exactly what I told you it might do? It threw me all the way back out. So what do? I just told you I do this the second time. Content. Let's go down to the slides that I want. I wanted PowerPoint, Chapter 3, Part B, PowerPoints from your instructor. I'm going to click that. Okay. Now, stop right here. Stop. Dadgummit. Apologize. My phone's going to ring. We're going to let that ring. Look at what it's doing. It's saying, do you want to save or open? 99% of you have already clicked the open button before I could even say stop. Here's the problem. If you try to open this now, you're going to open it from Canada. I am not joking you, Canada. There is going to be a glitch in that connection. Don't click the open button when you have an option to save. If you can save, like I'm doing now, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to save this, let's just say to my desktop. It doesn't really matter where, but someplace on my local drive, okay? Do not click open when you have the save option. Okay, now look at this, how it's downloading, and you would be trying to view this and getting very upset because it wasn't working or something like this, okay? But that's because it's coming from Canada, okay? Now, when it finishes downloading to your computer, look at my options. Open, open folder, close. Do you see save? No, you do not. What this means is that it's on my desktop, and you can even see the C drive. It's on my C drive. Now I can click the open button, only now. In fact, I could close out of that if I wanted, go to my desktop and double click it. Now I'm using Vista. Vista likes to ask a lot of extra questions. Do I want to allow it or not allow it? That's okay, I have to allow it. Okay, now it's going to have to launch PowerPoint. See there, it's launching PowerPoint. And I'm going to tell you, and you might have the same problem, sometimes when I try to open the file this way, PowerPoint will open, but the file itself might not open. If that happens to you, where did you save the file? You saved it on your desktop. So it's just a matter of going to that file and opening it from inside of PowerPoint. Okay, so now the PowerPoint slide is opening. It did take a little time and you do need to be patient with it, but here are the PowerPoint slides. Now I'll tell you one other thing that students have problems with. If you go through the slide in this manner, you will not see the animation. Press your F5 key. That's not F and 5, it's the F5 key to start the PowerPoint presentation. Thanks and good luck with this.